Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and it is the quickest way to check the numbers. And in the second I will use the settings. Of course, I'll show you both options, but let's begin with a code. So let's open the dialer. This is the place where we can enter it. And the code for IMEI number is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers because we've got two different SIM slots and also a serial number of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers. As I said, by using the settings, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So you'll still be able to check those numbers. Let's find the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the About phone. And now, as you can see, we don't actually have to enter any other sections because we've got it at the front. Here we've got both IMEI numbers and also a serial number above them. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.